First of all, I want to congratulate my parents for achieving 25 years. And kahit na maraming problem na nangyari in the past, katulad po ng kwento ni Mami kanina, maraming chance na pwede nilang piliin na maghiwalay or magkalayo sa isa't isa, lalo na nagtubay si Mami, naging iba sila. Pero nalagpasan nila yung struggle na yun, and mas pinili nila na magsama pa rin kahit na may ganun silang malalim na problema. And ayun yung isang naging reason kung bakit mas naging strong yung relationship nila and achieve yung silver wedding. And bilang parents naman sa amin, kahit na malayo sila kasi kami is nasa Pilipinas nag-aaral, and almost 15 years or 14 nasa Dubai na sila, never nila pinapili sa amin na malayo sila or never sila nagkulang. Palagi nilang pinapapil na nandyan sila kahit na malayo sila sa amin. Ayun po, deserve niyo po na i-celebrate itong 25 years anniversary niya po. Dahil kayo po ay naging mabuti na magulang sa amin. And alam po namin na mahal niyo po ang isa't isa. So once again, I want to congratulate both of you po, Mami and Daddy. So everyone, let's have a toast.
This time, let's fill our glasses with any drink that we can and join for the symbolic wine toast.
Let's have a toast for our new happily couple wedding. And may your future be successful. Cheers.
Everyone is all set and raise your glasses and join us in toasting. Here's to good luck, happiness, good luck, and prosperity. Support and grace. Come on, it's all set, everyone. Everyone, come on, it's all set. Cheers.
Cheers!
Already have the